AI only continues to expand, improve, and become even more insane. It can instantly respond to emails, convert your thoughts into video, and even magically transform your pictures. I discovered the top 10 most crazy AI tools that are reinventing the globe, and you must give it a try right away. So let's see how we can convert our thoughts into videos. RunwayML.com makes it really very simple and easy, and the best part is sign up is totally free. This AI is compatible with both PCs and smartphones. Once you are on the home page, click Gen 2 text to video option. Now at this point, we may begin entering the video prompt. For example, wide shot of a Spartan warrior on a horse in the battlefield. Then click preview, and within no time, 4 different preview options will be generated. Now let's choose our favorite one. I really like this one. This is how the video turned out. Here are some more examples that were all created just from text. It's incredible that anything you can think of can turn into a video. Simply put your concept into writing and Runway AI will take care of the rest. The best part is that over time, this will just become better and better. To be honest, I'm only scraping the surface of AI. There are much more crazy technologies out there, so keep watching. It's difficult to imagine AI art getting much better than it is right now, but it does with this next tool. If you go to this website, clipdrop.co, then click on Tools to find Stable Diffusion XL, there are several factors that makes this AI tool unique. The first is that when you have entered your prompt, it gives you an option to choose a style. There are many different styles to choose from. I'm going to select comic style and now generate. In a few moments, it gave me this artwork of a Spartan warrior in a battlefield. This uncrop tool adds to the uniqueness of this AI. You can use your generated artwork or a new picture and then adjust how large you would like this image to be. Click the next button. The AI extends the image. This even gets more crazy with this AI tool called Relight. With the help of this, you can change the overall lighting of an image. You can freely move each light source. This will also modify the shadows and dark areas in the image. As you can see, this is so accurate. This gives you full control over changing the color, brightness, and even add more lights. This changes AI art due to the fact that it allows you so much more control, and no other tool offers you these features. If you want to learn how you can create art similar to this for free and without any restrictions, make sure you stick around till the end. Now just take a look at this insane AI tool called Ostagram.me. This AI is used to mix 2 images almost seamlessly, taking 2 photos and combining them to create a very original and stunning image. All you need to do is upload your photo, the one you would like to modify. It actually doesn't matter if your image is complex or simple. Now select the style. Ostagram offers a number of style options to choose from, or you may upload image of your own. Let's go with this colorful abstract image. If you are using a free account, processing may take some time. AI has really done an amazing job. I mean, seriously. You guys may go completely creative with this and combine your photo with the spaghetti, and the outcomes are remarkably accurate. The fact that AI allows you to take one image and precisely edit it with another image absolutely blows my mind. So let's assume you have a picture like this, which is fairly nice, but you need to use Adobe FIREFLY to get it to the next level. FIREFLY has made it very simple. The interface is user-friendly and it gives you a number of different options to play with. Picking a random item, what is it composed of, and performing a random action. Once you are done typing, click Generate and here you go. Every time you click Refresh, you will get stunning results. What if we combine your name with feathers? Type your name, type feathers, and done. Penguin wearing a helmet and you want it to be in a photo style. There you go. You want it to be a painting watercolor. Select it and done. Every style, material, and technique is visually listed right here. With Adobe FIREFLY Generative Fill, you can do the unimaginable. Google has also introduced one of its biggest AI tools, This AI has completely changed the traditional way of writing emails. If you go to their workspace after sign in, you can access this fantastic AI. Everything is really straightforward and self-explanatory. Click Gmail to compose a new email. At the bottom, you will see a new pen tool that can compose emails for you in a matter of seconds. For instance, write an email to my boss and let them know that I am in no mood to attend office today. And within no time, you have a nicely written email on a subject you would probably struggle to write yourself. It gives you an option to recreate the email. For example, rewrite it, or refine option will make the email shorter. This AI will also help you reply to your emails, which is really very time-saving. The same AI will assist you in Google Docs. For example, create experience letter. And it just took a few seconds to develop a fully unique document that you can use by simply clicking the insert button. You will save so much time using this, and the amazing part is that it is completely free. This new AI is on the rise nowadays, and its AI-generated QR codes are not ordinary QR code. The website is called qrcraft.xyz. When you first visit the website, it could appear a little messy, but it's really easy to use. Enter your prompt here, then paste the link of the website you would like the QR code to take people. After some moments, you will receive a fully unique, never-before-seen QR code made only for that website URL. I am in love with this. I have honestly never seen anything like this before, and it's really strange. It just serves to highlight the ways in which AI is transforming our way of life. Playing with this new AI is a lot of fun, and it makes you question what is still real and what is fake. It's called reface.ai/unboring. Once on this website, you will find this swap face option. Upload your video and then upload the face you would like to swap with. I'm going to use this photo of Lionel Messi. After that, start the face swap. It won't take long and you will get something like this. Really funny. No doubt, this is the fastest way to do a face swap. This AI literally blew my mind. Skybox.blockedlabs.com. This has really taken AI to a new level. Move your mouse around to experience this surreal view of a 360-degree world. And what's even more amazing is that you can generate your own. Type in the prompt, let's say prehistoric world, and generate. I have never seen anything like this before. You may choose the style of your surreal world from this menu here. Within a few months, you might probably be able to generate new worlds and begin traveling across it. Thanks to this AI tool from wonderdynamics.com, because changing who you are was never that simpler. Sign up for a free account and head to create a new project. Drag the video you want to edit. It's all extremely straightforward to do and quite basic. Then you need to tell AI what it needs to transform. For this, find a frame in the uploaded video where the person is visible. After the person has been scanned, select a character and simply drag and drop onto your subject. The outcomes are really striking. With this, you can do all kinds of bizarre things, like turn yourself into an alien or a robot or pretty much anything else. If you like memes, all you need to do is visit supermeme.ai. You will discover a fairly unique AI that was created exclusively to make memes for you. Type in your meme idea or click on Use Random Text. In a matter of seconds, it will generate a bunch of memes for you. Have a look. Some of them are really hilarious. You can edit them if you want, and also you can turn on the GIF meme generator and create a number of funny GIFs. You can create as many memes as you want and keep yourself entertained. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next one.